Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shruti. In this video, I will show you how to validate all the product details in an e-commerce application in Playwright using for loop. Okay, before we begin, I assume you are familiar with the basics of Playwright. Okay, if not, please check out my Playwright series. Okay, so where I explain everything in detail from scratch. Okay, let's get started. So here I've already created a spec file called validate product validation and entered username password and clicked on login button. Okay, so now I'm in product details page. Okay, so as I said, using for loop I want to validate all the product details. This is a demo applications, so we are having only 6 products. So what I want to validate title is present and it is not null, and description, price and add to cart button is present. Okay, so I want to validate these 4 things in all the products. Okay, so before that, first I want to inspect the element which gives me the count. Okay, so let us inspect the element. So this has title, but I don't want title. I want common element which highlights all the products. So here I have inventory item. Let me take this and control F. I'm taking class, so I'm using dot. Okay, so there are 6 matching elements. Okay, so as you can see, I'll scroll up a little and I'll show you. It has 6 products. Okay, it has 6 products, and inside each inventory item, we have title, description, price, and add to cart button. Okay, so first I will take this and I will keep this in some variable. Okay, okay, I will create the variable called products. Products is equal to await page dot locator. I will enter the locator. Okay, so now what I want to do, I want to get the count of it. Okay, so how to get the count? Using dot count method. Okay, so I'll create a variable called count. Count is equal to products dot this product has all the products in it, products dot count. So this will give me the count of products present in e-commerce application. Okay, so let us print and see. Console.log count. Okay, clear. I assume you know what I'm doing here. Okay, product validation dot spec dot ts. Okay, this is a spec name and I want to validate this only in Chromium browser and I want to see the validation. So I'm using hyphen edit, so it will open the browser. Okay, it entered username and password. Okay, it did not give me the count. Okay, I have to use await. Okay, okay, let me run this again. Okay, okay, here we got the count. The count is 6. Okay, so now we know the count, how many times I want my for loop to run. Okay, so I'll write for loop now. For let I is equal to 0, I less than count, and I plus plus. Okay, so I want from 0 to less than 5 means less than 6. Count is 6, so less than 6 means 5. 0 to 5 means 6. So this for loop run 6 times. Okay, so here I'm not hard coding how many times it should run. Okay, next time if you had few more products, it will get that count. Okay. Okay, so now what I want to do, first I want it should go to the, sorry, now I want first it should go to the first product and validate the details. Okay, so how to get the first product here? By saying await products, because this product has all the product details. Okay, products dot nth of I. Okay, so this will have first time, it will have first product name. Okay, not the name, sorry, it will have the first product details. I will keep this in some variable product. Okay, this first time it will go to the first product. Okay, so now what I want in the first product, I want to get the title, description, price, and add to cart button. Okay, so now let us inspect title. Okay, so the title name is inventory item name, and we will take class. I'll create a variable called title. Title is equal to await. So here I don't want to use page dot products. Okay, I will use products dot product dot locator. I will say product dot locator. The locator is class name. Okay, so I will explain you why I'm using this, and I want to get the text of it, text of the title, and validate it should be not null. Okay, so how to get the title, you how to get the text of the title using text content method. Okay, so const spelling is wrong, onst. Okay, so here the way I'm doing is product dot details, product dot locator. It is called chaining locator or locator chaining. Okay, so here I'm not searching for this class inside the whole page. Okay, I'm just searching this inside this first product. Okay, so this product has the first item, this one. Okay, and only in inside this I'm searching for the title, not in this page. Okay, this is called chaining locator or locator chaining. Okay, I'll explain once again. This product is having the all product details. This products variable is having all the product details. So I'm using inside the for loop. First time it will check inside the first product. So here I said nth of I. First time here in the I place 0 will come. 0 means first product. So it will look for the title inside the first product. Okay, not outside of any product or not inside the page. Okay, so it will give me the title of first product. Okay, so now let me print this. Okay, I'll use backtick and I will say the title of first product. So what is the first product? So I want to say I want it should print 1. Okay, for that I'm using dollar symbol and curly braces to enter the variable I plus 1. Okay, is colon, and I want to print this title. So title. Okay, console.log. Okay, so title of I plus 1. I value is 0. First time it will be 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So the title of product 1 is, it will give me the title of first product. Okay, so now I will do the assertion. Okay, so expect, to add assertion, we have to use expect title. So what I want it should not be null, correct? So not dot to be null. Okay, okay, let me save and execute. So here this should give me the title of all the products, only the title. First time when it loop, it will give me the title, it will print the first product, then second product, then third product. Okay, okay, so as you can see, the title of first product is Saw Slabs Backpack and by Clyde's bold t-shirt and all. Okay. Okay. So this one, as you can see, this one dollar symbol and curly braces. So using this, I'm entering the variable. Okay. Okay. And title, and for title also. Okay. Okay. So I'll explain once again. First time, the value of product is 0. 0 means first product, it print the title of first product. Again the for loop run, it the value will become 1. 1 means second product, it print the title of the second product. Okay, okay, so now we will inspect description. Okay, so it has class inventory item description. Okay, I'll create a variable const description is equal to await product dot locator, and the locator is this. I want to get the text, so text content. So I'm not using, once again I'm repeating, I'm not using page dot locator because I'm using, why I'm not using page dot locator is because I have the locator inside this product locator. Okay, the locator I'm already keeping it inside the products. I'm using this inside the for loop. So this product, as first time it will have product 1 details, second time product 2 details, and so on. Okay, okay, so now I'll print. So I will copy the same console and I will copy it from here. Okay, okay, so instead of title I will say description, and here also instead of title I will copy the description, and here also. Okay, I will save, and I will do same thing for price also. So price is, it is also having class inventory item price, const variable I'll create as price, await page dot locator, and the locator is this. I want to fetch the text, so I will take text content method. Okay, so now I will use the same console and expect function here. I'll copy it and I will just rename it. Instead of description, it should be price, and here also price, and here also price. Okay, okay, so now I'll inspect the add to cart button. It has ID. I will take class name because looks like this ID is having name of the item. It has 4 classes. So I will take any three. It has four classes, so I'll remove the spaces and I'm adding dot in between. I'll remove the space and I'm adding dot. Okay. Const add to cart is equal to await page dot locator. This is the locator. So here I don't want to get the text of it. Okay. So I'll just validate it should be visible. So expect add to cart to be visible. Okay. So now let us execute this. So using this, if any number of products you have in your page, you can validate. So tomorrow, if they add, currently we have six. Tomorrow, if they add another six, the same logic and code works. Okay. So it's failing somewhere, we'll see. Here it is failing because I'm asking you to check inside the page locator. See, inside the page locator, and I'm using text content. Okay. So it is saying it resolved to six elements. There are more than one element, and if we are fetching the text of more than one element, we have to use all text contents. And here I'm not looking inside the page, I'm looking inside the product. Okay, so instead of page I will say product. Sorry, product. And here also. Okay, let us execute now, it will work. Okay, one test passed. Let me show you the logs. Okay, title of the first product and description of product one, the price of product one, and also the title of product two, three, and it displayed the details of all the products and also it validated. Okay. Okay, so this is how we validate all the product details using for loop. Okay, okay. So try to practice, and if you're stuck at some step, comment in the below. I'll see. I'll try to address it. Okay, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you think you learned something from this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.